The term vessel includes all types of craft that float on water and are used as means of transportation, including crafts which do not displace water, such as hovercrafts. A seaplane, when on the water, displaces water so long as it is on the surface of water and is considered as a vessel. A seaplane is not considered a vessel when flying above the water's surface. Since no propulsion system has been mentioned in this part of the rule, all barges are also included. Power-driven vessel here means power obtained from machinery such as diesel engines to move the vessel. Sailing vessels are not included as long as they are purely under sail. Vessels under oars are also not included. As long as the sailing vessel is moving by wind sail, they are called sailing vessels. Some of the sailing vessels have provision for use of their main engine and propeller. The moment their main engine is started, they are termed as power-driven vessels, even if they hoist sails. So, as long as this main engine on sailing vessels is not used, they are termed as sailing vessels. Fishing vessels means vessels actually fishing with their equipment in the water and are unable to move away and keep of other vessels. If the fishing vessels have secured their fishing lines and nets, and the equipment does not restrict their taking evasive action for safety, then they are not fishing vessels. The equipment under the rules include nets, lines, trawls, or other equipment used for fishing. Seaplanes are the one which by their construction and purpose can safely land, take off, and maneuver on water. A vessel not under command means any vessel which because of some reason cannot keep out of the way of other vessels. The reasons normally are beyond its control, like main engine breakdown and she cannot anchor, or steering failure, or launching a rescue boat. Vessel constrained by her draft is a power-driven vessel which because her draft in comparison to the depth of water at that place is so great that she cannot alter to avoid a collision. If it does so, she would run aground. However, if the width of the channel is sufficient, then they are not considered constrained by draft. Similarly, if the depth of the same VLCC is 20 meters, or about 65.6 feet, in a channel as wide as 30 to 40 nautical miles, then the VLCC would not be a vessel constrained by her draft. A vessel underway means that a vessel is not at anchor. It is not made fast to the shore. It is not aground. It is considered underway when drifting or moving. Similarly, a vessel dragging anchor is considered as underway. In the rules, length of the vessel means its length overall, and the breadth means the extreme breadth. Restricted visibility may be caused by fog, mist, snow, rainstorm, sandstorm, or similar conditions, and also by any other means, like forest fires, which cause restricted visibility over the nearby sea. Wing-in-ground crafts cruise close to the water with about less than one wingspan's length over the surface. This gives extra lift and decreases the drag.